Well, first, we definitely need to go away from radiation. We all know the deleterious effects of radiation to the patients and quite frankly to the physicians performing these procedures. There has been some advances on the last few years, at least with two modalities that are promising. I would say they are not totally exclusive. It might well be there will be modalities we'll use together. We had this debate here at the PVI in Paris on the use of FORCE, the fiber optic RealShape imaging associated with the Philips, and the intraoperative position system. That was my role to defend that part of the debate. I think a good point I want to make for starters is the IOPS is, I would say, in an earlier phase compared to the FORCE. But I would not take that in a negative way. It's very, very promising. The IOPS, I would compare to the very early mobile phones we had in the 1990s, you know. It could well develop into something amazing that we cannot live without it. And the beauty of it is that we can put sensors on pretty much every catheter, stent, balloon, and therefore we can actually sensorize literally all parts of the procedure from access to the delivery of treatment. It's all a matter of creating a more smaller version of it. It's a matter of creating the sensors in a way they can be wireless at some point. And that's where we're not quite there yet. But there is a lot of promising things in the near future. We have 6 French catheters hopefully coming up this year. Augmented reality, which I had a chance to test already in research. It's magnificent how you can step away from the flat displays that we are used for fluoroscopy, CT scans into another dimension. And I like to compare like we are walking inside the aorta. And it's remarkable. We actually had a chance to use on our residents and younger surgeons, and their time to do procedures is the fastest with augmented reality. So I'm very, very much fond of that. At the end, we learned we have a long ways to go on this debate. I would say for both FORCE and for IOPS, but the future is promising. I really think that a few years from now, when we do a complex case, we're not going to be using only radiation. And at some point, I think we're going to be using very little or maybe no radiation. The use of non-radiation imaging with augmented reality allows you to literally walk inside the aorta. Watch out, this is going to be something that is going to be part of our future.